spicy. And today I'm going to make a very quick dish. I was on the Reddit app last night in the low-carb food area, and there was a discussion about cream cheese Jello and heavy cream, making some type of a mousse, chocolate mousse, I think she made. So other people chimed in and said, oh, but if you try the cheesecake, it's really fantastic. So being naturally curious, I found sugar-free cheesecake Jello in my cabinet, and I'm going to try this 2-ingredient dish and see what happens. Let's get to it. I'm going to add the cheesecake Jello to my mixing bowl. And some people on the site indicated that they use heavy cream completely and they thought it was a little bit too thick. Some people said they used half and half, and some people said they used almond milk. So here I have a cup of heavy cream and a cup of unsweetened almond milk, 30 calories. So I'm just going to add this to the bowl. And the box says I'm to whisk this until it starts to thicken. So here I go. The box says I have to whisk it for 2 minutes. Seems a little excessive for a hand whisk. I should have used the electric beater. That's how spoiled I am. I'm going to put this in the fridge and I'll come back and let you know how delicious it is or isn't. I let the pudding set for about 15 minutes in the refrigerator. I put it in a nice dessert dish and I'm just going to give it a taste. It's rich, it's creamy, it's full-bodied, almost like soft ice cream. And I gave it a little topping of heavy whipped cream. I would recommend it. And if you need a really quick dessert after dinner, this is it. I also believe that almost any flavor would work. So if your favorite is chocolate, pistachio, cheesecake, vanilla, go ahead and use those. It'll be fine. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please watch my other videos. Bye.